In this practice, you will load a custom AutoLISP routine that defines a new AutoCAD command and then try the command. Open saw-I. Type saw and press enter. The AutoCAD software returns an unknown command prompt as it does not recognize this command. The routine must be loaded first. In the Manage tab, Applications panel, click Load Application. In the Load Unload Application dialog box, browse to your practice file folder. Select SAW and click Load. Once loaded, the routine defines the new SAW command. Close the Load Unload Application dialog box. Use the SAW command to create two circular saw blades. Type SAW and press enter. Respond to the prompts using the following answers. Center point 16,5, outer radius 8, inner radius 7, number of teeth 36, hole radius 1, hub thickness 0.25. Type SAW again and respond to the prompts using the following answers. Center point 30, 10, outer radius 5, inner radius 4.5, number of teeth 25, hole radius 0.5, hub thickness 0.1. If time permits, find the AutoLISP file in the practice file folder and open it in the text editor to display the code that runs the routine.